Got nothing catching, no?
Well, the problem is that the exhaust from the guy next door is really fizzy. He said it got to, when it turned on yesterday, it set all our alarms off. Anyway, Michael, you come.
Alright then, mate.
Yeah. So you explain the problem from the beginning, yeah.
Right, we come in. It's raining outside.
Right, what's the trouble?
Okay, where have you been so far? What's happened? Just want me to tell you things. You don't have to waste your time.
Yeah, show me
Right,
the problem.
Our gas appliances, this side of the house.
Yep.
One. There it is.
Yep, the boiler.
We got a carbon monoxide sensor around this area. It's here somewhere anyway. Somewhere around in this one anyway. But one in here has not gone off, is not going off, did not go off. Everything in here is fine. Okay? Just to be clear about that. We have no trouble. If we come this way, in here we have a carbon monoxide sensor as well. That has not gone off. Up here. Coal gas sensor, carbon monoxide sensor. And that over there is just installed.
Yep.
Yesterday evening at approximately 5:38, a blue tinge of a flame could be seen exhausting from that terminal. Yeah. It's a blue, tingy, gassy flame. It's not actually fire, but the condensate should be clear of the tinge.
It'll puff white.
It would, yes. It should do. That's what it should be doing. But it was not doing that. 4 seconds after that happened, that alarm it kept going. I'm going to take it down now to it stopped. I'm going to bring it back on again.
I would advise you to take it down. There's nothing wrong with that exhaust there.
Do not say that, okay? So, I may have autism. I'm sick of people telling me crap, okay? The exhaust may look okay.
Yep.
I am telling you, as a matter of fact, that right now I feel ill because I've turned off my extractor fan, which keeps me safe from that crap. There is shit coming out of there. I have it on video. No one is going to tell me that that is safe.
Regulation-wise,
I don't care about the regulations.
no,
It does not matter. Irrelevant.
you can't do anything about it.
I don't care what you say I can and can't do. I'm telling you, this is a health and safety risk. I have it on video. A blue tinge coming out of the condensate indicates very low oxygen, which means carbon monoxide is coming out of that. This is carbon monoxide sensor.
Carbon monoxide is part of the combustion process.
It is, but it's not meant to be at that level.
But blowing it outside is exactly the same as having traffic in the road.
It isn't.
It is.
At this level, it's not. The concentrations are way too high.
Because you've got your detector right on in the way of it. If you were to put them detectors at the exhaust of somebody's car, then detectors will go off as well.
If you put it at the exhaust, it probably will do, because the concentration of this level will go. This is in the open atmosphere. This is not an enclosed space.
It is so, which makes it safe. So them products coming out of that boiler flue just escapes into the atmosphere.
It does not escape in the atmosphere. It goes up this wall into this area, and it makes me feel sick.
Where's the air ball?
Right there. Right there. Just there. They put the wall upwards to the
All the way to the roof.
Yeah. All the gas goes up this wall.
Have you got one of the alarms in that room as well?
Yeah, well I did have, but last time this GM came round here, they turned off all the gas because that alarm was going on inside my property, therefore it's my fault. It is not my fault, that is causing my problems. It's been causing my problems for 2 years, and now I have it on video. And not have anyone tell me that is not going to safe. I don't care about the regulations, I don't care about what you can and can't do about it. I am telling you that dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have been produced by that appliance. They have a young child in there, and the young child may be more susceptible than anyone else.
Not if it's coming out of the flue. They'll all be sealed from the room, so it won't be getting into their rooms. Let me go and speak to your neighbour.
What I can do about it I am telling you that dangerous levels of carbon monoxide are being produced by that appliance. They have a young child in there, and the young child may be more susceptible to anyone else.
Not if it's coming out of the flue. They'll all be sealed from the room, so it won't be getting into their room.
We do not know what else is in that property.
Let me go and speak to your neighbour.
You can't, he's the way. 56, he's not in. You can't go speak to him. And he is, quote unquote, a gas safe engineer, and he is not registered.
You can't go speak to him.
And he is, quote unquote, a gas safe engineer, and he is not registered on gas safe. His company is, he is not. He installed that appliance. Since the day that was activated, we have had trouble here. Every single day since that thing's been initiated, against the law, it has not been properly certified.
There's no regulations to say that flue can't be there.
I'm not saying the flue can't be there. I'm saying the emissions, it is exhausting, means it can't be there. It has to have a flue kit put onto it.
A flue kit?
Yes, because it is exhausting and noxious shit.
Have you spoke to your neighbour about?
We've offered to pay for one, and he won't do it because he's a gas safe engineer and he knows what he's doing, and he calls carbon monoxide CO2. So there you go.
Let me see if I can speak to him.
He can't. He's got the doorbell, so you might be able to talk to him, but.
All right, yeah.
He hates us, and he'll say lots of crappy lies about me or whatever.
That's all right, no worries. Let me. If you're willing to pay for a plume kit, I don't see why he wouldn't put a plume kit on.
Because he's an arsehole.
Well, okay. we'll establish that when I speak to him.
Now, what he will say to you, because he's a gas safe engineer, this is what happened last time. The engineer came here, spoke to us.
And what I'll say to him, if he's a gas safe engineer and you're willing to pay for a plume kit, it's going to be nice and cheap for him to put a plume kit on.
Well, yeah, we've done this a year ago, 2 years ago, in fact, and he said he would do it and then didn't do it. So I mean, we've been there, done that, whatever.
Well,
but all I'm saying is, the last time the engineer came, he spoke to us, everything was fine. Then when he came next door, had a conversation with Jack, he came straight in, turned off our gas. So whatever he said to the engineer, whatever it was, must have been some hell of a lie to make that engineer come back and immediately shut off our gas.
It's because there's nothing wrong with that boiler. There's nothing wrong with that flue being there. You don't need a detector outside your back room. It's better to have that detector inside your house.
Look, I have them inside my house. I've had to move them from the occupied spaces in my house because they keep going off. And they keep going off because the shit coming out of that boiler is entering my property. Okay? There's nothing to do with the position of the flue or anything else. I'm telling you, that boiler has been dangerously installed by an unqualified idiot who doesn't know what he's doing, and you are telling me that's safe, are you? Because it is not safe, it is dangerous, it's an accident waiting to happen.
Without seeing from the outside, I can't see anything wrong with it.
I have a video of a blue flame coming out of the terminal.
Can you show me the video?
Yes. It's in slow motion and in real time. There's one with sound, some without. There's a before and after, so you can see the differential. But before the alarm goes off, about 4 seconds beforehand, there is a little looks like a heat wave, and it's got a blue tint to it, and it's coming right out of the terminal, just below where the air intake vent
is. It doing it now?
No. Right, it gets to. Let's go to the beginning actually. Right.
We've got videos, right, of the uptake of the
saying, of your opinion, I mean,
you can't. There's nothing wrong with that boiler. If he says that he used to have an alarm in the room upstairs and it went off, but we come round and turn his gas off because his alarm's gone off. Right?
So it's basically like a domestic, dispute again.
He's got to. I said that there's nothing wrong with that. Don't tell me there's nothing wrong. I think the dad's having enough. The dad hasn't spoken to me at all.
The dad hasn't spoken to you?
Yeah, because he's just letting his son get on with it and something he can do.
Why are you sending me in here?
because I want you to see that video because I can't see fuck all. He's saying that there's a blue thing coming.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. But this guy was all right. Hello, mate. You all right? Sorry. Coming in. Yeah.
Alright then, mate. Another gas. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Alright then, mate. Another gas engine now.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Are you indoors?
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you turn your boiler on?
Oh,
Could you turn your boiler on for us?
Nah,
No? Why not?
I'm not indoors, mate.
Oh, you're not indoors. I thought you was.
Why?
Your neighbour's phoned up again
No, I'm
about.
not indoors, no.
Yeah, your neighbour's phoned up again about a blue flame coming out of your.
Have you tested his boiler, mate?
His boiler's over the other side. His alarm ain't gone off. He's got an alarm set up outside, right near your flue. Hello? Hello?
Okay, sure. You give the guy. Well, there's different.
Yeah. I'm better looking.
He's to check your head. There.
Okay. So let's have a look at this video.
Wasn't it phone down?
You're in there.
So you've obviously got an issue with the neighbour.
It's an issue. We tried to avoid this gas thing by having the fan up to make sure the stuff never comes our way.
Yeah, of course,
But it seems to be getting worse.
yeah, I suppose when you've got the spillage from a flue,
When they come round to service our thing, the one thing that the engineers always do is go outside and test what's coming out.
yeah, of the analyzer from his
Yeah.
flue or your flue.
No, when they come down to us, they always check ours to make sure what's coming out all right.
Yeah,
But
sure.
no one's ever checked his.
Yeah,
because
but he's a gas engineer, isn't he?
Sorry. He on his car he says registered with GasSafe, and he's got a registration number, but that's the registration number of the company, which you can get just by telling you I want to be registered. But he
does not have a
personally
licence.
doesn't have a license.
He has not got a gas safe card. You ask him for it, he can't give it to you. When he signs off his work, he signs off for the company registration number, not his ID number, because he hasn't got one.
Yeah, but he can do that.
I don't know what you can do. I don't mind.
He
You
can
it
do
or
that
not.
because
Yeah,
he's
I
got
know.
the registration card.
He hasn't.
Yeah, we don't think he has.
He does not have a gas
I mean,
safe license registration.
we don't know that.
Okay.
We don't know that for
Right.
definite, do we?
Wait,
We don't know that for
I
definite.
have been on the gas safe register.
Yeah.
His business is registered. He, as a gas safe engineer, is not registered. You can go look for yourself.
That's fine. Listen, at the end of the day, so go on then,
No.
show me.
So, what I've done here, just to it's really obvious. Early on the day when nothing's happening, but it's a clear shot. Okay, that's
Yeah.
a still shot. It's
Yeah.
off.
Yeah.
And here, you can see very clearly that it's a blue tinge coming right out from the terminal, just above the air intake. Right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. Okay.
And right here you can see like a wave. And that wave goes up. And there's a whole video of this, but I thought that'd be just a bit clearer. Wait a minute, where is it? I'm trying to find the right bit. the call handler,
Yeah.
gas safe,
Yeah.
one of the local boys,
Yeah.
who came round,
Yeah.
had a little chat with Jack, and then came round and turned off our gas.
Turned off your gas.
Yes, after talking to Jack, because Jack told him.
Because
something
he
else.
said
It'd been served.
he said as well to us to check your boiler
Yeah, exactly.
to say
Yeah.
that everything's not quite right with your boiler.
Yeah, British
Of course
Gas
he did.
came down and did their set in July, and
Do you understand how awkward it is for us?
I know.
Because this is a civil thing.
yeah, and as he said, you said, but the
Yeah, but I've got a video of a blue flame coming out of a
Anyway,
flue terminal.
sorry, all
I have evidence of something being wrong.
okay.
It's not just I'm saying it, it's on video.
Right, Michael, let's stop because we've gone beyond
Yes,
that.
okay.
The situation is you can't do anything, but is there a way of recording that we are worried about the safety of what's going on next
Yeah,
door?
sure. I mean, I put it in my free
Could
text.
you, please?
Yeah, of course.
And then,
I
I mean,
wanted to make sure that if someone dies next door, we're not held responsible. We've tried
Why
our
would
best.
you be responsible?
Because we have tried our best to make sure safety is maintained.
But I
and
mean,
we're
if
being
he dies
violated.
from his own boiler mistakes, that's down to him at the end of the day.
We'll somehow make it our fault again.
Well,
yeah.
I
Anyway,
think it's a civil. I think it's.
okay, fine.
Look,
But if you can record
I
it-
understand
Okay.
your frustrations.
If you can record it,
Yeah.
that'd be good. But so there is no, to your knowledge, there's no other authority we can say.
That's safe.